I want to start this video off by having a quick poll between ACHR and HOVR, asking the audience which one you believe will finish with the greater gain at close. Comment it in the comment section below. Now, what we getting to discuss, I just wanted to give you guys a early warning for what can take place here in ACHR here pretty soon. Also, far as our HOVR, this thing is looking pretty darn well for a short cover to take place here on Monday's trading. Stick around, we're going to talk about it. But before we do so, don't forget I will be going live Monday, 8:15 a.m., which is 15 minutes before market open. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you get over to the home page immediately, hit that notify me button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video. We need at least 200 likes on this live stream for us to open up that live chat for everyone to talk. So with that being said, see you guys Monday. And at bat, it's the big O, baby. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, guys, HOVR's short cover situation is much more likely to take place here than ACHR's for many reasons. One of those being that aftermarket price action. Not only that, it's a huge difference in short activity. As you guys can see here, days prior to Friday's trading, that short sale activity was pretty low overall. The ratio was the same, aggressive day in and day out, but that total short volume was incredibly low in comparison to what we did receive here Friday. And the reason being is because the uptick in total volume, of course. But yesterday was a half day, ladies and gentlemen, and ACHR's half day got pretty close to the day before volume. If we take a brief look and check it out here really quickly, as you guys can see here, Wednesday's full trading day, we got a total trading volume of 62 million. Here on Friday, half of the day, we got a total of 60.5 million. Now that capital trend here isn't leaning towards a short cover for ACHR indefinitely. If we take a brief look and just check out the price action throughout the trading day, things were pretty steady after things cooled off, not giving any type of room for error on any side. If we take a brief look and just check out our 15-minute chart price action, as you guys can see here, that comfortable bounce off the mid Bollinger is what still gives me confidence. And like I told you guys before, we're looking for $11 here for ACHR in the likelihood of a short cover to take place. And the way that will take place, ladies and gentlemen, we do have to open up above those $9.68 levels, which, if we do see a retracement here in the pre-market, that likelihood of crossing those levels at the open can go away pretty quickly. So with that being said, keep your eyes out on that. And the early warning I have for everyone out there for ACHR, and that is you have to consider a upcoming offering. Okay, it is obvious that ACHR is in a perfect offering situation due to the huge jump in share price. Not only that, with them actually having a very expensive product to market, they're going to have to raise money. It's basically EV all over again. These startup companies do not have the cash on hand to stay afloat, so they make retail investors like you and I foot that bill by diluting existing shareholders. And the reason why we know this is so obvious is just looking at the split between that share float and that total share count. The share float is the available shares of trade on a given day, 287.41 million, with the rest being held by the front office / insiders. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, those are the shares that they're going to offer here to raise capital. And the reason why they do it this route is because if you want to sell 100 million shares, right, it's best you do it when the share price is at $10 rather than $5, right? Because you will get $10 million rather than $5 million on cash on hand. So that is why you have to tread with caution, because they're going to have an offering. Now, if they do actually perform an offering before January 17th, which we do expect to see this thing reach a gamma squeeze phase, then that can actually kill off all the momentum and send retail investors looking the other way. We have seen that happen plenty of times. We have also seen plenty of times with a huge retail investor interest like ACHR currently has, those offerings be eaten pretty darn quickly, and shortly after announcing the offering is now over, we tend to actually see that thing pop. Now, I rather for the offering to take place in ACHR after January 17th. Of course, it'll be much more beneficial for the company after all, especially after a gamma squeeze take place, because they will be able to capitalize at a higher share price per share. I just wanted to make sure all my audience is well aware of the chances and probability of a offering taking place here in ACHR before January 17th, because if the share price does jump to $20 really quickly, then that offering probability goes up a lot. If you understand, the higher the share price, the more money the company will get for the offering, thus putting them in a better situation. So keep that in mind, guys. If you're up a ton, lock in partial gain if you do want to stick around, but tread lightly. Last but not least, we're going to go back to HOVR. Now, this thing is set up perfectly to see a short cover take place during the trading day. If you did catch my video on Wednesday, I let everyone know that ACHR stood a great chance to see that short cover throughout the trading day. That's exactly what happened here. But looking at the price action in today's aftermarket hours for HOVR really puts huge pressure on those short positions taken throughout the trading day. If we take a brief look and check out that capital trend, as you guys can see here, we do see net inflow in favorment, okay, which points to more covering than shorting going on overall. But that number isn't wide at all. It's 131,000, not huge. We have to take in consideration before today, we were getting volume here around 1.09 million in total trading volume. So huge jump does offer a opportunity, even if it's just volume, for shorts to get active. But with HOVR aftermarket price action, huge short sale activity coming from the days prior, as you guys can see here, an aggressive above 8%. That short cover wave is likely to happen. We're just 3 cents away from the trading day high. So if we do actually open above that 79 cent, ladies and gentlemen, then those short shares taken throughout the trading day here on Friday may open up to a forced short cover situation. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, HOVR price target here for Monday. I do feel as though that this stock stands a very great chance to visit those 84-cent levels pretty early off in the pre-market trading. So with that being said, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on any of my alerts in real time. And may the gains be with you.
Click the video that you see on the screen to be notified when Monday's live stream starts.